how are you? It's been a little bit. So I'm working on a project today and I wasn't going to video it, but I thought maybe I should. Today I'm going to make my own tissue paper for a gift that I need to wrap. And I have been looking at one of our newer transfers. This is the Tiffany Thiessen line, and this one is called Full Bloomin'. And I thought I'm gonna make my own tissue paper. So what I need to start off with, and it's because of the colors I'm using, I'm just gonna get some watercolor paper. I'm gonna get some tissue paper, and the colors I plan on using, and you don't know until I'm all done, is bright white, Hey Pumpkin, cherry, squeeze, it's really pretty orange, and Couture teal. So I'm going to try and use all these colors. I'm just not sure the design yet, but let's go give it a try. Come on.